Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 99-06, Silverado, and Sierra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. With a clip remover, remove the power harness from the crossmember and any area that may pose as a fire hazard during installation, followed by disconnecting the rear shock with a 17mm socket. Step 5. Begin cutting away the part while taking care not to damage nearby components. Clean the area free of rust and debris while retaining enough material to weld back onto. Assemble the crossmember by first inserting the tube between the rails and capping them as shown. Step 6. Tack weld and C-clamp the part to the rails and begin welding the caps to the frame and the tube to the caps. Finally, weld the spare tire mount and shock bracket to the tube by matching the original angle, and you're done.